This is a new gift. Let me just open it. Anybody who has got this, they know that I like one subject and one subject only. And that is dinosaurs. What's rare on Earth? Dinosaur at last. Fully revised and updated new edition. And the prehistoric world as you have never seen it before. It's a very large book, but handy, not heavy. Let's see what is inside it. Two 2021. I don't think dinosaurs were as abundant as they look in this many reference works. They were as abundant as any other animal at our age. Smaller ones more abundant, and the bigger ones are less. Don't consider cows and horses as typical of other animals. We actually breed them for consumption or for riding. Horses less nowadays. Oh, I like this map. It shows everywhere that there is a dinosaur. Oh, that's so nice. You can see the tongue of the dinosaur also. Like real. And also the tissue inside the map. Like real. That was a tooth. Huge. This tooth is this tooth. So your hand. No way. You're tiny compared to this. I mean, you cannot separate Europe from Asia. It was always a appendix to Asia, practically. There is no continent called Europe like the way we have a continent called Australia or Oceania or Africa. Europe is part of Asia. It's a peninsula in Asia, I should say. Anyway. The Greeks thought they are the center of the universe. How selfish? The same. How out of touch, we should say. I mean, as such, there was no even such a thing as Greek. They were all Scythians and Egyptians and Phoenicians and all those ancient people that existed. And the Greeks were not European really, they were Middle Eastern. Asia is the hottest spot of dinosaur discoveries, especially in China. Feathered. They look almost like something between a turkey and a crow, and I don't know, any other thing that you can imagine. These ones were more like hawks and eagles. Yeah, these areas are now land. In the past they were just little islands like Japanese islands. But they gradually over the Cretaceous and afterwards they joined together. So you have mostly some land dinosaurs in that part and mostly marine dinosaurs and creatures. As there is in the region is rich in oil and gas. Because of this, they are the richest parts of the world in this kind of hydrocarbons. If there will be a future that there will be something like that, will be in the Indonesia and Southeast Asia, South China Sea. They are having a similar situation of island arcs joining together, making a bigger landmass, like here. That was the way it was in the past, those areas. And that was the way the Southeast Asia was. Oh, these are not dinosaurs anymore. That's kind of dinosaur. Yeah, they look like whales. They're not. Okay. Whale, like they're whale. It's like having a museum in your house. A museum that every time you want is there, instead of being one day in a place like a museum. And that is safe compared to going to a real museum, And then you have to spend a lot of money also. Kids will want this, want that. Here you have it all. You make one initial purchase and that's it. You have it all. Oh, lovely. So beautiful. Connect. "160 pages. Beautifully bound book. That's kind of like a dinosaur atlas, which I really love. We didn't have such a thing in the past. No, now we have it.